Alright, tonight's amusement project is John's going to put that boulder there. I can't see through the phone. Yeah, John's going to put that boulder there on the back of little 8-in Annie there after we move the beer, of course. And then we're going to find a really hefty trucker to sit on the hood of the tractor, keep the front end down. Well, no, of course we're not. The boulder probably weighs as much as the tractor. What's actually happening, I'll move around the other side because I'm looking into the sun and can't see anything. John is learning to operate the backhoe feature on the backhoe, which I don't know how to operate. John took to the front end loader business like a duck to water, and now he's just sort of playing with the landlord's equipment here. That little D4 crawler over there defies them, but they are more difficult to operate, and these guys don't maintain anything, so the hydraulics really don't work properly either. Sort of what the idea is here is to remove this material that we'll have somewhere to push the snow in the winter, assuming the idiots that own the place are cooperative with us, which is unlikely. But John is happy learning about the operation of the backhoe bucket. I have used this backhoe and a couple of others on occasion, and I am no operator of these. You can see one line hanging there. The extend-a-hole feature isn't working. Again, they don't maintain these things. The hydraulics don't work. And any heavy equipment operator worth half of his salt will watch this video or anything related to it if I post some more and be going, well, you two clowns have no idea what you're doing. And that would not be totally inaccurate at all. But I just thought I'd post it because I'm out here watching, and it's kind of fun in a silly way. And so yeah, we'll leave it here for the moment.